Welcome to this lesson on Reboot and Restart. In this video, we will explore two important concepts for managing your computer system: rebooting and restarting. Understanding the difference between these two operations and when to use each one is essential for maintaining your computer's health and solving common problems. A reboot means to restart the system by reloading the operating system without powering down the hardware. When you reboot, the computer stays powered on, but the software restarts. This is a faster process compared to a full restart because only the operating system is being refreshed, not the entire hardware. A restart means to completely power off the system and then turn it back on, including all hardware. When you restart, everything shuts down completely, then powers back up from scratch. This process is slower because it involves a full power cycle and all hardware components need to reinitialize. Let's compare reboot and restart. In a reboot, the hardware stays on while the operating system reloads. In a restart, there is a complete power cycle turning everything off then on. Rebooting is a faster process, typically taking 30 seconds to 2 minutes. Restarting is slower, usually taking 1 to 5 minutes. Reboots are best for software updates and quick fixes, while restarts are better for hardware issues or deep system resets. Use reboot for software updates, system freezing or lag, application crashes, and quick troubleshooting. Use restart for hardware issues, deep system resets, BIOS updates, and unresponsive systems. If your computer is running slowly or an application has crashed, try rebooting first since it is faster. If you are experiencing hardware problems or the system is completely unresponsive, a full restart is recommended. To reboot your system, first click the Start menu or access your system menu from the taskbar or menu bar. Next, select Power Options and look for Restart or Reboot settings in the available menu options. Finally, click Restart to begin the reboot process. Your system will reinitialize and reload the operating system without powering down the hardware. To restart your system, first access Power Settings by going to the Start menu or System Preferences. Look for Power or Shutdown options in the menu. Next, choose the Complete Restart or Shutdown and Restart option to perform a full power cycle. Finally, wait for the system to power off completely, then power back on with full initialization of all hardware components. Follow these best practices. Always save your work before restarting. Close all applications first to prevent data loss. Use restart for persistent issues that reboot cannot fix. Allow the system proper shutdown time and do not interrupt the process. Avoid forced shutdown during restart. Never unplug your computer while it is operating. Do not perform frequent, unnecessary restarts as this can affect system longevity. Always pay attention to system prompts and follow the recommended procedures.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.